Hi there. I got another one of these. These are fun. Two people did the same problem. I got two different answers and chaos ensued. What is the right one? Well, let's look at their work. The first person started with 3 squared. 3 plus 1 plus 2 times 6 minus 9. Then they did 2 times 6 in the middle, which is kind of interesting. 3 plus 1 plus 12 minus 9. Then they did the 3 plus 1, got 4 plus 12 minus 9. 4 plus 12 is 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. The second person also started with the exponent, which makes sense. You got to know what that is. So they got the same line. Then they started with this 3 plus 1, got 4 plus 2 times 6. Then they did the 4 plus 2. They're just moving from left to right, doing whatever coming up in the front. They end up with 6 times 6 minus 9. They did the 6 times 6, that's 36, and 36 minus 9 is 27. So who did it right? Well, it just depends on who followed the order of operations. PEMDAS. What does that mean? You do everything that's inside of grouping symbols first, then you do your exponents, and if you have square roots, that would be right here. Then you multiply and divide in order from left to right, and then you add and subtract in order from left to right. Since they both started the problem with the 3 squared, let's look at the second line because that's when things went different. First person skipped past the addition and went to the multiplication. Second person did the addition first, and this is against the law of the order of operations. Yeah, you can't do adding. You got to go and do all the multiplying and dividing before you can do any adding and subtracting. Therefore, the 27 is wrong. The 7 is correct. Did you get that?